You may have repeatedly heard that rice is not good for diabetics and also causes weight gain. But this is only true when you have white polished rice. Can brown rice be a solution for weight loss and be beneficial for diabetics? And you must also have read about red rice. So what is the basic difference between brown rice and red rice? And where does black rice fit into this? Yes, you're at the right place. You will have all your answers in this episode of Munch and Mull only if you stay tuned until the Mull point at the end of the video. Unfortunately, today most people consume a huge proportion of white rice. White rice is stripped of all its nutrients and is the major cause of diseases like diabetes, obesity, cardiovascular issues, etc. What are the health benefits of brown rice? And why is brown rice helpful in weight loss and diabetes? Most people think that brown rice is a variety of rice, but that's not the thing. When paddy is dehusked, it is brown rice. And when this brown rice goes to the mill, it is stripped of its bran and you get your white rice. And you miss the goodness of the bran. You will be surprised to know that India is home to a huge variety of rices. And I have spoken about them in my episode on traditional rice varieties. Do check them out. It is extremely important to understand the difference between red, brown and white rice because the cooking process will slightly change depending on the rice that you use. Very simply put, red and brown rices have their bran layer intact and this layer is just below the husk. In other words, they are also called unpolished rices. You may have also heard the terms parboiled rice and raw rice. In Tamil, we call it pulungalarishi or pacharishi. Now, what is that? This is a completely different way of categorizing rices and we will reserve that for another episode. But for now, you can just remember that you can have fully unpolished, semi-polished and fully polished white rice as both parboiled or raw. Going just by looks, parboiled rices are slightly translucent. Raw rice is more popular in use than parboiled rice and I too prefer using raw rice. So basically brown rice or red rice is rice with its bran intact. It is extremely important for us to understand the health benefits to have rice with its bran. Here it comes. Depending on the level of the intact bran, rices could be fully unpolished, semi-polished or fully polished. Typically, fully unpolished rices are fully red or brown in color. Semi-polished red rices may have streaks of red on them and vary from burgundy to pale pink. Semi-polished brown rices vary typically beige to pale yellow color. Fully polished rices are of course white in color. In other words, any rice variety will naturally have either a red or brown color if they are fully unpolished. So, red rice or brown rice are generic names and not the names of any one variety of rice. So, from a nutritional perspective, it is more appropriate to look at whether the rice is unpolished, semi-polished or fully polished. Rice is a staple food which has been widely consumed for centuries by many Asian countries. All along until recent years, rice has always been consumed in unpolished form as brown or red rice. Studies have suggested that brown rice functions as anti-diabetic, anti-cholesterol, cardioprotective and antioxidant. This is because of the presence of various phytochemicals that are mainly located in the bran layers of brown rice. In polished white rice, the rice bran is removed, which leads to a loss of its micronutrients. Can you believe that polishing removes about 85% of the fat, 15% of protein, 75% of phosphorus, 90% of calcium and 70% of B vitamins, including B1, B2 and B3 and 80% of all fiber. Besides, brown rice is rich in antioxidants such as phenolic compounds. These compounds are known to provide diverse human health benefits. These include properties like being anti-inflammatory, hypoglycemic, anti-carcinogenic, anti-allergenic and anti-atherosclerotic, that is, it reduces cholesterol blocks in arteries. Don't you think you should switch to brown rice? Black and purple rices are very similar to the full brand red rice variety, but they have a very rich antioxidant called anthocyanin that gives them their color. You can cook black rice exactly the same way as we cook full brand red rice. But it is interesting to know that when cooked, black rice has a very sticky nature and it is excellent for making kheer. You will find the recipe of my black rice dessert recipe in the link above, and this episode also gives you a very interesting history and health benefits of black and purple rice. As we have seen, brown rice is rich in fiber and many other micronutrients. So, when we eat brown rice in either rice form or idli or dosa, we tend to get full. We have fullness and we will tend to eat much less than if we make the same thing with white rice. In other words, we feel satiated, but at the same time, we have a nutritionally dense meal with brown rice. So, we are getting the best of both worlds, isn't it? Thus, the high fiber of brown rice not only makes you eat less, but also helps to flush out the toxins from your body and thus results in weight loss. In the case of diabetics, the high fiber of the brown rice helps reduce the glycemic index and releases sugar in a very gradual way, unlike white rice, which releases sugar suddenly. And therefore, brown rice is extremely beneficial for weight loss and diabetics. Essentially, the rice bran is what is responsible for the wonderful health benefits. So, higher the brand, healthier your rice is. Most of you are probably transitioning into the unpolished rice space after years of consuming white polished rice. If that is so, particularly for table rice, I suggest you start using semi-polished rice first. Get used to its flavor and texture, and then you can graduate to fully unpolished or full brand rice, that is red or brown rice. But if you're more adventurous like us, you can straight jump on to using the full brand rice. Let me finally leave you with these points to also mull over. The nutrients often vary from one unpolished rice to another. So, it is smarter to use more than one variety of traditional unpolished rices by rotation to maximize the health benefits. I use at least 5 to 6 varieties of these unpolished rices by rotation, and my go-to source for getting authentic, organic, traditional unpolished rices is of course Biobasics. You can also try an amazing range of 50 rices from Biobasics using the link in the description box for an initial discount on the first order. Would you like to make that switch? Have you faced any difficulties using brown rice? If yes, do share them with me in the comment section below or mail me, and I will be glad to answer and support you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Munch and Mull. Hey, have you subscribed to Munch and Mull? Do click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon to receive notifications of my newest videos uploaded every Saturday.